Let's take a look at the process of document assembly using pages from multiple documents. So here we have a document open in PowerPDF. We'll go to the Document Assembly tab and then select Page Assembly. From there, we can select another PDF, and we've got that PDF open as thumbnails as well. So in this case, we could just select one page to drag over and add. But if we want to drag them all over, we can select them all, maybe drop that new document up front. Now we can close the Page Assembly window, close the Document Assembly window. As you can see, we now have those two documents together as one, and we can save it. It's just that easy.